Welcome to Study Loop.
Related rates are rated with some quantities changing by relating the quantity to other quantities whose rate of change are known. So you can illustrate it by the aircraft and the missile. So let A the height, B is the distance from aircraft from missile the ground to the missile, and its P is the distance from aircraft to missile. So we have the change in instant impact that aircraft, that is to 600 mph per hour. Then we had the flying of this aircraft at 1000 mph per hour, and then A is 2 miles the height, so B is 4 miles. So in order to determine the P, we use the trigonometric identities. So P equals square root of A squared plus B squared, or equals to square root of 2 squared plus 4 squared, or equals to square root of 4 plus 16, or equals to square root of 20. Simplifying this, we'll get to square root of 5. Now we express it from the given, from this one, that triangle. So we have 2dp times dp over dt equals to 8 dA over dt plus 2b times 2b plus over dt. We can cancel the 2, so we have this simplified form. And then we have to substitute the values a dA over dt, b and db over dt. So we will get 6,000, because from 2 times 600 plus 4 times 1,200, that is equals to 6,000. We have the value of p, so that is 2 square root of 5. Divide both sides of equation, where that we will get dp over dt equals 6,000 over 2 times square root of 5 equals 3,000 over square root of 5. Multiply both numerator denominator by square root of 5, that will become equals to 600 times square root of 5. Decimal, it's about 1341.64.